The best robot vacuums for 2025. Your guide to smarter cleaning. Imagine a world where your floors clean themselves. Welcome to 2025. In this video, we'll reveal the best robot vacuums revolutionizing the way we clean, combining cutting-edge technology with effortless convenience. Ready to upgrade your cleaning game? Let's dive in. Today's robot vacuums do more than just clean. They simplify your life. From advanced navigation to smart home integration, these devices cater to everyone, whether you're a busy professional, a pet owner, or a tech enthusiast. Why spend hours vacuuming when you can let robots handle it? Gone are the days of random movements. The 2025 models use AI-powered systems with LiDAR sensors to map your home, ensuring every corner is scrubbed to perfection. Watch as these vacuums navigate complex layouts without missing a beat or bumping into furniture. Carpets, hardwood, or tiles. These vacuums adapt their suction power automatically to clean every surface thoroughly. Special brushes tackle pet hair and debris deeply, ensuring no dirt is left behind. Control your vacuum through Alexa, Google Assistant, or dedicated apps. Set schedules, monitor progress, or restrict certain zones with a few taps or voice commands. Cleaning has never been this futuristic. Forget the hassle of emptying dustbins daily. Models with self-emptying bases store debris for weeks, making your cleaning routine effortless and uninterrupted. Do you have high traffic areas or specific rooms needing extra attention? Specialized cleaning modes target areas efficiently, offering a truly personalized experience. This powerhouse comes with LiDAR mapping and a self-emptying base, making it perfect for large homes. With Alexa compatibility, controlling your cleaning routine becomes seamless and intuitive. Featuring dual brushes and extended battery life, this vacuum excels in handling pet hair and long cleaning sessions. Customizable cleaning zones make it ideal for pet owners and families. Designed with the environment in mind, Ecobot highlights eco-friendly materials and low-energy operation. It combines these benefits with powerful suction and app control, appealing to the environmentally conscious. Robot vacuums are for everyone. Whether you're looking to save time, control allergens from pet dander, or support a sustainable lifestyle, there's a model tailored just for you. These devices transform cleaning into a hands-free experience that fits perfectly into busy lives. Home layout. Opt for advanced mapping tech for complex spaces. Flooring. Ensure compatibility with your primary surfaces. Pets. Pick vacuums with specialized brushes for shedding animals. Budget. Align your essential features with your spending plan. The innovations in 2025 make owning a robot vacuum more convenient than ever. With robust features, smarter AI, and eco-friendly designs, these models redefine home care. Say goodbye to struggles with manual cleaning and hello to smarter living. Transform your home by investing in the top robot vacuums of 2025. Click that subscribe button and stay tuned for more on revolutionary tech that simplifies your life. Don't wait. Let technology take the mess out of cleaning.